Alright, we're back. Make sure it's not a ton of wind noise. Yeah, we Gucci. We Gucci. I hope. Oh, I lost my music though. I'll probably end up taking 95 back because this road's kind of sketchy right now. Harry's Bluff Road. That's what I'm looking for. This road is super nice. Oh, that's what fucked me off. There's a little blip there. Look at all this gravel. Oh, nice and easy. Try to get a little power wheelie up. Alright, now that I'm done being stupid. Oh, this should be fun. This should be so much fun. Oh, yay. Yay. Idiot. I guess I'm not done being an idiot because my music's gone.
Shit. Don't pay any attention to what I'm doing right now. I'm a responsible rider.
Don't get any service back here. I just switched to some offline music. Oh, why did I just went through all that trouble to switch over, and now I'm not even talking. I'm an idiot. Oh, that looks like a good picture right there. Shit. I'll do it on the way back. I forgot about that. What is it flashing up here, though? Dangerous curve. I don't remember that last time. Oh. So anyway, in about 2 weeks, less than 2 weeks, I'm buying a new helmet and the actual GoPro adapter for a microphone, which is just outrageous. Like, if you only understood what I'm going through with this audio setup shit. If I would have known all this, I would have just bought the GoPro Hero 4 instead of the 5. I don't fully regret it because the 5 is awesome. I'm shooting at 4K right now. It's all around, yeah, it's a great camera, but the microphone adapter. On every other GoPro, you could just get any cheap fucking microphone adapter. Music was a little loud. You get any cheap microphone adapter that plugs into mini USB, not micro USB. They were mini USB. And then it goes from the mini USB to the 3.5. And then they have like battery eliminator kits. That basically is just a battery with a cord coming out of it. Not really, I guess it wouldn't really be a battery with a cord coming out of it. It's more of like a battery shaped male connector, GoPro battery shaped, and it fit in the slot and it would just run off of that. But now, for the 5, you can just plug your USB. This is USB-C, not mini USB anymore. So you can just plug the mini USB right into the side of it, take the battery out and it'll just run off of the external power. Which is what I'll start doing eventually when I get consistent with this. I'll probably like have Chase on two wheels, has a battery mounted to the other side of the helmet, and the helmet's plugged in. Or I have a couple times, I have an external battery, and I'll put it in the side pocket of my backpack and run it up to the GoPro. But the problem with that is the microphone adapter also needs the USB-C port. So they decided to make it so the microphone adapter for this has to be the GoPro microphone adapter because it has the port for to plug the micro USB back into it so you can charge it and use the microphone at the same time. But I would be okay with just like switching batteries out every couple hours if I could just use the microphone, normal microphone adapter. That's not $50. And the size of the whole GoPro. This thing is literally like this big. The GoPro is like this big. The adapter is that big. It just doesn't make any sense. So now I have this nice little camera, and then I'm going to have to mount another full-size thing right next to it to have a microphone. Whatever. I'm going to bitch about it until I get it working. As simple as that. I think you guys know what's happening right now. Are there people there? No. Is there anyone behind me? No. Yeah, that's happening. Yeah, this is going down. Alright, back at it. Oh, that is pretty incredible. Alright, let's try this power wheelie again. What are we doing? I don't know if the front wheel got up. Usually I can feel it twist a little bit. That's what I'm saying. This is a 650, but it is not fast at all. Which is why I'm maybe thinking about getting a 600, like a CBR 600, or like a 636 before I go up to a leader bike. Or maybe I'll just say, fuck it, balls to the wall, go right to the leader bike. I'm pretty confident in my riding now. I've gotten myself out of sticky situations. I'm aware. I'm not saying I'm a pro rider at all. There's still many, many places I could improve. But I'm confident on a bike. Confident enough that I think that I could handle a leader bike. Basically, what really did it for me, this Billy Bean Moto, this cute little girl, 5'2", 5'3", however tall she is, can ride a S1000RR. I think I can handle like a ZX1000. I like Kawasaki. I think I'm going to stick with Kawasaki. Maybe an R1, but I think I'm going to go with like a ZX1000, ZX10, whatever. Or if I could find something cool, like out there, like what's your name? Wendo, friend of mine on Instagram. He's got like Avia Raptor or something like that, 1000. That thing looks badass. I've never seen one of them in person. I'm not going to see anyone else riding around on them. And it's going to be a badass bike. It's Street Fighter style, but that is the problem. Because I think I do want to have a full bearing race bike with a real riding position. Because I love that I can sit straight up on this. I can ride for hours on this. My back feels fine. My butt hurts after a while. The seat's not the comfiest. Oh, here we are at the end. Woo. Drifted a little bit to the right. So yeah, maybe I should just get that idea out of my head because I do want a full bearing race bike. I think keep this as my naked Street Fighter stunt bike. Whatever I want to do with it. That is what I want to do with it. I want to get a cage. Oh, I've never seen that gate open before. Oh. I don't know what this place is. It's gotta have something to do with the military base. I live right next to a military base, by the way. I feel like that's gotta be like the north end of it or something. Because I don't know what it is. I've never been in there. I've never seen that gate open like that. Threw me off a little bit. Oh shit, I just killed a butterfly. No! No, you stupid monarch! Oh my god. Oh, I doubt you can see that too. That was on the right side. It hit the right strap of my backpack. Oh. For such a light, fluttery animal, like that has some force to it. Like someone lost a little control over here. Alright, I'm gonna try to catch a fucking butterfly if I see one. There it is. No. Oh, no. Ah, oh, there's a dragonfly. I didn't get him though. Oh, nice open road. Ah, this is your kingdom, SpongeBob. I wonder if you can hear me over all this wind. I'm not playing with my phone right now, though, I'll tell you that. I can feel this storm coming. This is more than just riding wind. This is wind on the riding wind. Ah. Oh, shit. That's embarrassing. I'm not used to having a visor up here. I hope these birds don't jump out at me. Yep. Oh, shit. Holy shit. Ah, I almost got the butterfly. Holy shit, that was close. Why would you fly that way? Why? I probably should have slowed down. I mean, I did slow down a little bit. I knew they were going to do it. I never trust myself, man. I never trust myself. I've got, we'll call it rider's intuition. It kind of, you can feel, I don't know, it's kind of creepy at times, but you can feel what's going to happen. It's part of the reason why I love riding. It is in touch with the world. Those dogs last night, man, that was crazy. And I'll talk about that a little bit while I got the mic on. So I'm riding. I know you can't see anything on the GoPro at night. So it's kind of just like an audio clip. Luckily, you can hear my audio because I was just riding around my neighborhood. But yeah, that was my neighborhood. You can't really see where it was. There was no context for it. But I'm riding. It's dark. My neighborhood's not lit up at all. And my headlight is like a direct beam. It's not the safest. Not for me. Other drivers, other riders, they can see it great. But it doesn't illuminate much of the road in front of me, which is horrible. Horrible, I know. I'm working on it. What is this? Fucking dumb fuck. So, I'm riding down my street, almost at my house. I'm less than a half mile away from my house. Oh, it's a sketch. Sketch. Yeah, get out of there. But yeah, I'm riding. It's dark. I can't see much besides what's right in front of me. The GoPro can't see anything. And I just see these two clusters right there. These two, you just tell the light was different right there. And sure enough, I turn around and I could see definitely two things running around. I thought they might have been raccoons at first. That's why I was kind of hesitant to turn around. They didn't look super big. They was like literally, this is going to sound kind of made up, but when I lived here 3 years ago, I lived in that same house for a minute. We had a pet fox. His name was Cyrus. I'll try to find a picture of him, put him up. But he was a straight red fox. Like, he was domesticated. His parents were domesticated, and he was born into domestication. But those animals aren't meant to be domesticated. No, not at all. He was the craziest fucking animal I've ever had. It was cool. Like, oh yeah, we had a fox. That was cool. But he was a wild animal living in our apartment. And then when we moved out of the apartment, we had him, and then we had our husky Scar. So we're like, we got to get out of this apartment. We weren't allowed to have any dogs over like 50 pounds. Meanwhile, we had this baby husky and a fox, fucking fox. So we started looking for places, and we got this house that I live in now. During the transition of losing our apartment, not losing, but we didn't renew the lease. But it wasn't like we moved right out of that place right into this house. So we were staying at our friend's house, who lived right across the street from where I live now. Literally the first night we stay there, we get this nice big cage from Home Depot. Huge. Like it was a full fucking twice as tall as me. It was probably 10 feet long. We got him this nice big igloo and shit to stay in. You could have gone, man. I wouldn't have been mad at you. But literally the first night that we leave him out there in this cage, we even went an extra step. Thank you. We even went this extra step and put his harness on him, put the leash on him, and then tied the leash to the top of the cage so that he only had that radius to run around if he did try to dig out. This motherfucker, the smartest fucking animal I've ever fucking seen, without a doubt, figures out on the very first night he can dig out on the one part that was touching the dirt, dig under the fence, and then his harness was stopping him from going any further. So he digs another hole right next to it, and then basically goes in and out of the two holes, circling around until the harness got so tense that he could pull himself out of it. Smartest animal I've ever seen. And then we've never seen him since. So in our neighborhood, there is, or at one point, this was 3 years ago, there was a red fox living in our neighborhood at one point or another. Is that St. Mary's? No. St. Mary's Police has a truck. So for a minute, when I saw that last night, I thought it might have been Cyrus. Like, I didn't know what was going on. I don't know. So I turn around, I look, I'm like, all right, let's check it out. I go up, and it's two dogs. They both have their collars and then leashes on the collars. Like someone was walking them, and they pulled away and ran away. They were friendly, but you could tell they were scared. They were a little bit lost. Not lost, I guess, because they led me to their house. But I don't know. You could tell they were a little shooken up. The one would come up to me. The other one was keeping a safe distance. I'm sure it had something to do with that helmet. So I grabbed the one by his leash. He comes up to me. I pet him a bit and then grab his leash. And then now that I know what was going on, he was trying to pull me the other way. He was trying to show me which way to go. I thought he was just trying to get away, so I was holding my ground, and he tried to go that way, and he slipped out of the collar. And then you saw I talked to that guy. I told him I'll handle it. I'll be all right. I'm great with animals. I don't know. I've worked in pet stores. I've worked with animals. I've had plenty of animals. We have 3 dogs right now. I've had a fox, for fuck's sake, right? Oh, cool story, bro. Cool. Alright, you know what? I will resume talking to you. What time is it? 2:30? Yeah, I'm gonna get on 95 down to my exit. Because I didn't like 17 down there. They're doing a lot of road work and shit. I'm probably not gonna talk to you on 95. It's gonna be windy. At least it's empty. Oh my god, I wish we had some better on-ramp. That just bounced my butt off the seat. No, you know what? This isn't that bad. So, speed limit 60. What? Oh, dude, the speed limit 70. What are you talking about? Anyway, so I go ahead and talk to the guy, tell him, no, I'll handle it. It's not my first rodeo dealing with dogs that I don't know. I knew they were friendly. I knew they weren't vicious. They weren't a handful. They were just one. So then I realized, like, hey, I'd probably be smart. Dogs chase bikes. If I get on the bike, they'll probably follow me around. And they clearly wanted to go the other way. I picked up on that after a few minutes. Thank you. And then by the time I went and got my bike and then turned around, they were like on the entrance to their street. And you coming for me? No, Kingsland's not coming for me. I know that. Uh, so I figured, yeah, we'll go this way. But it was weird. It threw me off guard because at the very beginning, there was another dog chilling in that driveway. But these two that were running around with their leashes, they were like the same breed. They were both pits mixed with something. This guy was like some funky lab or something. Not lab. I don't know. Boston Terrier or some shit. They just didn't feel like they were all together. So I ignore that dog. He seemed to be just like out taking a shit or something. Whereas these other guys were running around in the middle of the street. Like, when I say, like, I couldn't fully see them, but they were, like, right there. Like, they were close. And then the other guy almost hit him, too. Like, I wasn't really exaggerating when I said I almost hit him. I couldn't see him, and if they were in front of me, I would have hit him. Luckily, they were right next to me. So, I don't know. It just really pissed me off that after all that, go through, I find their house. We're running as a pack. Like, they were with me. I was with them. No one was really leading. No one was really following. We were all working together. And it was awesome. Feels good to do something like that. What are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah, get him. Yeah, come on, Kingsland. I thought he was going for that guy doing that U-turn shit. I don't know what the fuck he was doing. After all that, working to find these guys home, working, talking to these dogs, going out of my way after I just got done working all day and then going to the gym right after. I'm fucking exhausted, hungry. I go out of my way to help you get your dog. Close one, buddy. And it's not like you thought that like I just stumbled upon them like right up that road. Like I had their leash in my hand. What do you? And you asked me for their collar. Like you know that I went out of my way. I was interacting with these dogs, and you're just gonna say thanks as you fucking walk away. Humble thanks. Like I barely heard it. The camera barely heard it. I'm assuming that he said thanks because it resembled it. But no, completely fucking ignore me as I'm fucking back there on my motorcycle in the middle of the fucking night. Not the middle of the night. It was like 10 o'clock at night. But for the lady in the car, that lady in the car, she was out looking for the dogs. Like he said that I was their dogs. And for her to see me with both of the dogs next to me and just keep riding away like that. Got a friend. What's up, man? Oh, what are you doing, Prius? I don't know if this guy's trying to split. Probably not. I think he's in the military. He wouldn't be doing that shit. Look at this school bus. Oh. I thought he was coming with me. I wouldn't have done that shit. I'm in no rush right now. Yeah, he must be going to the base. Oh, here he comes. After all that, for you to just go by me with your car, and you just take the collar and walk away, like, as I'm handing it to you. I almost hit them. The guy in the car almost hit him. If I didn't wave him down, I don't know if you'd seen them before that. Oh. What are you doing? I keep thinking he's coming with me. It just really hurts me. Just the way they went about it. They weren't excited to have their dogs back at all. Like, they weren't concerned. Especially just the fact that the lady wasn't excited about it. Like, usually girls would be going crazy if they lost their dog and someone brings their dog back to them. Showing me up now. Oh. Is he gonna get the light? Is he gonna get it? He got it. Just the whole situation, the way the owners, after meeting the owners, after seeing the owners, I'm not saying seeing based on their looks, just how they conducted themselves in that situation. It was just sketchy. I'm not done about it. Tony saw it hit me off. I don't know. So again, it sucks that the GoPro couldn't pick it up. I just wanted to explain what happened a little bit. Like, this was literally, this is my street right here. And it was on my street. What are you doing? There's a whole turn lane. Are you kidding me? Bitches love carnivals.